Unong yalam kaseng TMC Dr. Mukul Sangma lakot ben Kutno ya kajeng Pynlong kam Sain perthai ka Tnat Pulit ha Meghalaya da ka Kyntu baya ka Tnat Pulit umdai ben pendon kam da kanu kaseng lani ki rio shimet ben penbet ya ka kam shimet jongki haba ajeng kren hadin ka jeng lang jong State Security Commission u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula pen pau ka jeng so kya halor ka Sain Hima ki kam ki bedai ba ka imlang sa alang but ki jing tu klar ki bor banabari ka Tnat Pulit ha kathan west jong ka jela kam tam hagaro hills ula banjur halor ka jingdon kam kerki pen pendunaya kum kini ki jingle da ka bamaham ba wat ya ki officer ki ba shempangru teng laju lap ba ki le don bor lani le bakla ya ka balade bani kren
suppress and oppress people who don't belong to their particular, in different way, even sometimes politically also. But this trend is wrong because in our given democracy, political parties will come and go. Sometimes some political parties will be in power. Subsequently, some other political power may be in the power. But what is required to be avoided is because this trend, if allowed to continue, then the perception of the people will be such that okay, we can manipulate and we can misuse this power if we are in the government. Let us put an end to that thoughts and ideas.
U lampang ke yeng dor bar thau an ge jelau Thomas